Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the default font size in an Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here the font size default is 11. Now we want to change the font size. At first, go to the file menu. Click the option menu. Then select the general option and we can see here the font size. Now click the drop down menu and increase the font size 20. Click OK. Then again click OK. Then close the Excel and open the Excel again on your computer. Then create a blank worksheet, otherwise you can open your existing document. Now write anything and check the size. We can see here that default font size is 20. Now we can see we change the default font size in Excel spreadsheet easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.